Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we're taking a look at two very simple products but that have use cases for charging your AirPods, your Apple Watch and phone at the same time. Super easy to install. Let's start with this back one and then we'll move on to this front one here in just a second. This back one, this is compatible for all Teslas, so Model 3, Y, Highland, Juniper, all of that. And how this works is there is no wiring of any sort. This is just a silicon pad here and that essentially takes the wireless charging capability from your car and pass it on. So how this installed is super simple. You just slide this into its place here, and once you align this around the charger, that's it. That's how simple this is. This is good to go. Now you can take your phone and simply put it on the pad here and it starts charging that you see. Now there are two different ports here. One is for the Apple Watch. So as you see, you can lift this and you can put your Apple Watch, and this is for AirPods. So for Apple Watch, you just put the Apple Watch here and it starts charging. You can lift this so you get a little bit of room here. Then you take your AirPods and simply place it right here. It has a little bit of a magnet that attaches, and then you see that the Apple Watch starts charging. So you got the phone charging, you got AirPods charging and the Apple Watch at the same time, and the installation was super simple. This is what it looks like here from our side. And the Apple Watch, as I said, this hinge, you can move it up or down, and this does have a magnet, so it's not going to slide out. Of course, the phone is not going to slide out. This is pretty strong. One thing that I do have here concern is, even though it does have a magnet, I wish they raised this bottom part a little bit so that it doesn't just slide down. That is going to be a concern if you're driving at high speed. This may fall. So for the next iteration of their product, I would recommend them put like a hinge or a notch here that raises a little bit so that this does not fall. And I think that is where this next product comes in handy, because it does have that notch right there. It says for AirPods, but this one does not come with a built-in charger. We'll talk about this in a second. But this one, I think they need to do that, where they need to add a little bit of a raised edge right there so it doesn't fall. Other than that, this is super nice. I mean, you didn't have to install anything. It just takes the wireless charging from the car and you install it. And if you were to remove all of this stuff from here, it looks very OEM, and you can drop this, it just sits there. So there is a USB-C port here, and I thought maybe it would charge the phone, but it does not. And I think it has to do with the power. Maybe it is very limited power that's coming through here. That's why it is not getting powered. Or maybe this is just for software update in the future, but that port is not active. That would be also very nice if they could make this port active so we can just plug USB-C here and have another phone charging. But I think the power is the limiting factor here. Now this is the same product basically with different characteristics. This one has raised edges for the phone as well as the AirPods, and how this works is you just simply slide in again on the wireless charging pad here for your car, and this is only compatible for Model 3 Highland or the Juniper as of right now. And what this does is, if you look at it, the raised edge prevent your phone from sliding too much on that charging pad. So if we were to put our phone here, it starts charging, but it's not going to move around too much because it doesn't have much space here, especially if you put a larger phone. This is a smaller 10X Max, so you have a little bit of room for this to move. But even with this, it's not going to slide around too much because it has got the wall around it. Now for the AirPods, they did a really good job where this forms a little pocket in the back, and you just have to slide in your AirPods and it starts charging. So if you look at that there, it started charging, and because it takes the wireless charging from the existing car, they just figured out where the magnet was so that this works perfectly. So you have that, and then for the Apple Watch, you just have to bring in your Apple Watch charger. I wish it came integrated right here. I don't know why they didn't bring that, because then that would have been really cool where the Apple Watch charger was integrated, but now you gotta slide in your white Apple Watch charger here and then just route that cable all the way to the glove box where you have the Sentry Mode splitter that you can use to connect that. I've shown you many times on different videos, but I'll put a link below for that product, where you just basically split it here and then bring the wire through the back and then plug it in. So that's how you can charge the Apple Watch. And how this works is, once you have that magnet Apple Watch charger, you can just simply hook the Apple Watch here and then it will start charging. Right now I don't have the charger, but what this does is it makes it a lot stronger because this has that raised edge in the bottom. This is not going to fall out like the last one easily because it has that area here. The phone is not going to slide. Apple Watch is not going to slide because it is going to have the Apple Watch charger. Now this one, you can put coins in here or anything that you want extra, but in their product video, they say that you can actually remove your AirPods. So if you need to temporarily take off your AirPods, you know, you're listening to AirPods in the car, then you can put it here because it has got that raised edge to put this AirPods. It's a little space down there. So you can store that. You can put coins again, as I said, you can leave that in there. So you got some options here as well. That's basically everything this product does. Now for this, on my likes, I like the integration of this. I think it's a pretty good idea where this does not slide, and it's basically a skeleton frame here where you can store various things. I think they should just start including Apple Watch charger with this product so that it becomes useful and you can just route the charger or figure out a way to wirelessly get the charger from here and then connect it. I don't know how they would do it because they are making this an open space right here. So I don't know the feasibility of that, but that would be great. So we don't have to route anything. This space here, I'm not sure. I mean, this is not going to fall out as easily, but I don't know, like if I would ever leave the AirPods out like that. So for this, maybe put another raised edge here where we can slide in coins or store some other stuff. But you do have that space there. And if you don't want to charge your AirPods and just save it here. This product was sent to us by Tesla C to review in our channel. We've reviewed a lot of products from them in the past. They've got a large collection of Tesla accessories. My job here is to show you what the product does and my thoughts on it. I'll let you be the judge if this price is worth it or not, but let me show you how you can save some money. There is the multiple options that you can get: pink, white, black, and then this works for, as I said, for all Model 3s and Ys, so you can have it starting from 2021 onwards. So you have Model 3 or Model Y, you got a Highline, you got Juniper, and the price is exactly the same for whatever model you get. Let me show you how you can save some money. So if you go here and hit buy now, then go right here and put Shiba Tesla as a coupon code. That knocked down $27.30, bringing this total to $77.70. As I said, I'll let you be the judge if this is worth it or not. This is an affiliate code, so we do earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Let's continue. So what do you all think about these two products? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, your likes, dislikes, or any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching this video.